Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I would like to welcome all of you, my subscribers or the new viewers for liking and subscribing my channel. I would appreciate your effort. And secondly, today's election number three that is related with present simple tense. So let's start today's lecture. Firstly, I have mentioned a quote over there. The limits of my language are the limits of my world. So it actually elaborates that if you want to limit yourself, so you have to get the limited language. But if you want to access the complete world, then you have to have the courage of doing the acquisition of a new language or the English language. All right. Then, so what is the definition of present simple tense? Let's encounter it. So the present simple tense actually talks about facts and figures, daily routines, and the repeated action. So, what are the facts and figures? Facts and figures are those terms that could not be changed by the human effort, that are made by nature. For instance, if I would say that sun sets from the east and goes towards the west, so it's a natural phenomena, right? So coal is hard. These are the national phenomena. So we cannot change it by the human effort. Trees are big in size. So these all are facts and figures. Two plus two is four. So these all are the facts and figures that one should know. Then the second one is daily routine. Whatever we do in our daily routine, what any action that we perform in our daily life, these all are the parts of daily present simple tense. What do I actually mean? For instance, I wake up early in the morning. So this tense is present simple tense. I go to bathroom. This is present simple tense. I brush my teeth. This is also the present simple tense. Then I take nap. This is also the present simple tense. Then secondly, I take breakfast. Then afterwards, I go to school. So something like that. Whatever we do in our daily routine is all included in the present simple tense. Then the last but not the least one is repeated action. The action that repeats itself. For instance, if I am saying that I drink a glass of water, so this is a present simple tense. So it actually means that I drink a glass of water. So I will repeat this action once, twice, or thrice. It depends to me. If I would feel frustrated, then I will definitely repeat this action. Then afterwards, where to use it? So where should we use a present simple tense? So there are five different ways where we can use a present simple tense. If there is a permanent situation, so we can use a present simple tense. For instance, as I told you earlier, that the trees are big in size, the sun rises from east, or something like that. And the routines, daily routines, as I have also given you examples. I wake up early in the morning, I go to the bathroom, and then I go to the school. I take lunch, I eat lunch. So whatever. The facts are also, as I've told you earlier, schedules. Whatever we do as a schedule, in a particular time period, there is a schedule of doing something. Then the frequency. Frequency means actually the intensity, like I do it this work frequently or not. Then what is the formula? How could we make a present simple tense? This is a basic formula for affirmative sentences, but for interrogative and negative, we have to use do and does. So formula, what is the formula? Subject plus first form of verb plus object. This is the formula that we should use for making a present simple tense. Then secondly, what are the rules? So in affirmative sentences, we will use s or es with the verb. If you are making an affirmative sentence, a sentence that's not having a question, that's not having a negative part in it. So these are called as the affirmative sentences. So with all those sentences, we should use s and es with the verb. Then in negative and interrogative sentences, we will use do and does as a helping verb. So if you have to make it a negative or interrogative sentence, so you must use do and does with it. It's necessary. So the question raises, that where should I use do and where should I use does. So do is used with I, you, we, they, and any plural noun. What are the plural nouns? Plural nouns are two names together. If you are using two names together, for instance, Sara and Ali, Saad and Ahmad. So these are two names when you have connected one noun with another noun. So this is called as a plural noun. Means more than one noun. Then secondly, does. Where should I use does? With he, she, it, and singular noun. Singular noun means any single name, like Ahmad, only Ahmad. All right. If I'm making a sentence with only word Ahmad as a noun, so this is called as a singular noun. What are the examples? There's an activity for you that what you have to do from these examples is these are the examples. You have to find out what is permanent, what is effect, what is a schedule, what is uh frequently. So whatever we have learned over there in the slide, in this slide, in what are the five uses of tenses, you just have to mark them in these uh sentences, all right? And just write it down in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Keep liking and sharing my videos. Jazakallah khair.